If you want to use Claude with YouTube, the setup is actually pretty simple. In this video, I'll show you how to connect YouTube with Claude. And I'll keep it quick. First, open Claude and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look for the option to connect apps or integrations. The exact location can vary depending on the version of Claude you're using. Next, find YouTube from the available options. Click on it. You may be asked to sign into your Google account. Make sure you choose the Google account linked to the YouTube channel you want to use. Then review the permissions. This part is important. Claude may ask for access to certain YouTube or Google data. Take a moment to check what you're allowing. If everything looks correct, approve the connection. After that, go back to Claude. Your YouTube connection should now appear in your connected apps or integrations. Now comes the useful part. You can start asking Claude to work with your available YouTube information. For example, you could ask Claude to help analyze video ideas, organize information, or summarize content you have access to. You can also use simple prompts. Something like, analyze this YouTube content and give me 3 key takeaways. That can save you a lot of time. If you don't see YouTube in Claude, don't panic. The feature may not be available on your account or region yet. Claude also changes its interface from time to time. So check your integrations and account settings again. And that's basically it. Connect your Google account, approve the required permissions, and test the connection with a simple prompt.